Minstrong solution for eliminating ozone in the corona treatment industry. Corona treatment is a relatively advanced surface treatment method that can improve the surface properties of some materials. However, when the corona machine is working, high voltage discharge will cause the oxygen in the air to react chemically and produce more ozone. So the corona workshop usually has a strong ozone smell. The equipment will be corroded, and the health of personnel will be threatened, because the corona machine produces a lot of ozone when it is working. Even rapid ventilation cannot completely eliminate the ozone odor. Among various solutions for decomposing ozone, ozone destruction catalyst is the best way. It does not consume any energy, has a long service life, and the treated gas no longer has ozone odor. Because the ozone concentration generated by the corona machine is relatively high, it is usually not suitable to use ozone decomposition catalysts in the form of filters and honeycombs. The use of irregular granular catalysts is the most suitable choice. This catalyst has very high adsorption and high contact, and can completely eliminate the ozone generated by the corona machine. The service life is usually more than 3 years. Minstrong is a manufacturer of high-quality ozone decomposition catalysts, providing MINSLITE-B catalysts to customers in the water treatment, semiconductor, and corona industries around the world to decompose high-concentration ozone into oxygen. This method allows users of corona machines to avoid interference caused by ozone. And clean emissions allow users of corona machines to avoid environmental legal risks.